Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. So, the first of two special birthday diecast card unboxing videos already happened. This will be the second one. These will be the two that I'm opening in this video, but these 1, 2, and 3 cards right here will not be opened. I just thought I'd let everyone know that ahead of time before I go more into this video with opening just these two cards. After these two cards are open, I'm just going to show you these, and then if I do open them, it's going to be in a separate video from today. So I will be back with these two 2021 Way 13 NASCAR diecast cards open. That's just a regular of the chase. It's not a chase, but I already have a chase NASCAR. And I don't know if I would be a fan of this one in a chase because it's just going to be slightly, shinier, chrome looking like red and white colors. I mean, it would be cool to have a second one, but it's nothing compared to the one I do actually have. So yeah, I will be back shortly with these two opened. So there's the two new NASCARs open, and yes, they are both Camry NASCAR diecast cars. We have a Christopher Bell NASCAR and a Denny Hamlin one. And then these three cars that I will be going to shortly. That's a not a Mercury, Ford Torino GT 429 SCJ in a nice dark blue color. Then that's a Pontiac Firebird 400 HO from 1966. This one's from 1970. And then this camper van is the 1965 Ford Econoline camper van. But everyone, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. And I will see you in my next cars video or live. And also have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.